Hey guys, it's your boy Joe back at it again, codingphase.com, and now with tradingphase.com, right? So this is a new YouTube channel that I just created, and I created this channel just to share my wins, my losses, just going into this new stage of trading and doing day trading. I've always traded since probably 2014 for like long-term stocks, things like Apple, Netflix, right? And I've done pretty well with those stocks. But in 2013, I decided I'm gonna jump into this. I'm gonna jump into doing day trading, because I had some extra time, and now I do this, here and there. I don't do it every single day, as you guys gonna see right now. But when I do it, I try to win. Okay, so I'm gonna go in and show you guys what I did today. Today is Wednesday, December 11th. So yeah, come on, let's check this out. All right, let me go in and share this to the screen. Right, so this is what my month is looking like. Okay, this is from December 1st till today, December 11th. So we actually up. We're $2,984.92 up. Thank God. Thank God we up. Okay. So yeah, so we're up, and I'm gonna show you guys what I traded today. So let me go into my trades, okay, and let's check this out. So basically I traded GXAI, right? Gave me a little $546. LAES, which is like Seals Corp, got like $24. AMPG got $12. Nvidia, I got $0. RGTI basically lost $72, and LDTC I made $132. Now let's go into a little bit. Where does this $1,200 come from, right? So technically, I started trading the day before. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see this. Maybe I'll set this up right here real quick. I started trading this, was it Monday, with GXAI, and there's some stocks that I let it run. Okay, so technically I actually made $3,005 with GXAI this week alone. So we actually made like 2,100 first day, right? Then from there went down to 1,700, and then from there we went up to 3,005, and then today that's what we have, right? So that's the average of everything that we did as far as the trading. Now let's go into the charts real quick just to show you guys a little bit of like what was happening, what my mind was at. Okay, what the hell was I doing? So I'm gonna have right here on my phone, right? I'm not gonna edit this. I'm not gonna do none of that. This is gonna be just for me to document it, and also to for you guys to see what was happening. So with LDTC today was actually trading pretty big, right? It was pumping, right? It looks like it was pumping. It started from like 124 around there, and I thought that this thing was gonna really run. So I actually started feeling FOMO. Okay, this is like fear of missing out, right? I got in super high, which I shouldn't have done. Okay, in hindsight, right? I shouldn't have got into this thing so high. Let me see what the hell's going on. Yeah, there we go. Okay, I got in here super high, which was at 235. Look how much movement this was. I should have never got in. This thing was like over 100% already. So I got a 235, and then I left at 191 because I was seeing this thing was dropping. Okay. And even with that, because I came in with about 300, right? 300 stocks of this, I still lost $132, right? So yeah, from here to here, $132. Yeah, kind of hurt. So that was bad. Okay, that was my biggest loss today, right? If I'm not mistaken, if we look over here on Webull, right, this is gonna tell us for today that was my biggest loss. Yeah, LDTC $132. Then RGTI, I actually came in, and I came in for this one. Let me see what I did here. Did something crazy. So I came in on this one at 598. No, I came in at 670. So I saw this stock, and I'm like, man, this stock looks good. I'm seeing that it's on an uptrend and it's doing pretty good. But I was thinking that you know, the bottom of it was gonna be around like 580 because it went to like $7, $8. So I was thinking like that was it. I said, we're gonna win on this one. This one's gonna go back to 8, right? But guess what? This one never went back to 8. Okay, so was it RGTI? Yeah, Rigetti. Yeah, so this one it went all the way up to 8, and I was expecting for it to be like around here. I said, damn, if I catch it at 5, what was it, 670, right around here, this thing is gonna bounce off from here and go up. Guess what? That never happened. That was not the bottom. Okay, that was not the bottom. There's more ways to go, right? It's like, yeah, right? And this is why some of these stocks you gotta give them some time to breathe. Cause look, it still went back up. I left out of here with an L that I probably, if I would have held for the rest of the day, I would have been good. But I was like already, I already took an L with the LDTC stock, and I was like, you know what? I don't want to lose more than $70, $100, because I'm already winning with GXAI. I'm winning. I'm good. So I was like, I don't want to lose anything. So I came out. Boom. I came out of here. I sold at 670. No, I sold at 598, right? So I was like, yo, I'm not gonna lose a whole dollar here. So at 598, which is crazy. Look at that. So around here was the bottom. So like a 580, if I would have held it for, I don't know, 10 more cents or maybe, 20 more minutes, it would have started bouncing off. So I wasn't wrong holding it. It's just I left too early. But if I would have left more, like I would have lost a whole dollar, meaning that it would have been a whole $100 that I would have lost. So I was trying to be conservative, but sometimes you gotta let it run, right? But yeah, if not, I would have been up. Look, this thing went all the way to $7, man. I actually took a L that I didn't need to take a L. Okay, so that sucks. Okay, now that was with that one, and then we had LAES. Okay, this was my trades for today, LAES. And with LAES, I came in at 115, right? I got at 115, somewhere around here. I was expecting for it to continue going back up, and it never did. So what I did was I say, if this thing comes back to 120, which was around here, I'm getting the hell out of here, okay? And that's what I did. So I had to hold it from here at 115, went down. I was shitting myself. I was like, it's scary. Get me out of here, mommy, right? I'm in there screaming for my moms, right? I'm like, get me out of here. Boom. We hit 120. I said, I'm not risking it. Get me out of here. I'm out. And I got out. And I actually won $24, enough to get McDonald's. Okay, so thank God. So that's what happened with that one. And we had AMPG. This was another one that I thought was going to run. I think I got in the wrong time. Yeah, so this one I got in around 11:43. So somewhere around here, I don't know, right? And I got in at 191, $1.91. So I actually came out winning here. But I came in with only 100 stocks. So it's like around $198, right? $191. So once it touched 191, right, I said, there's a lot of movement. I'm getting in. So I got in, and then it started coming back down, and I said, I'm getting the hell out of here, right? So when it touched 204, I got out. I don't know. I wasn't feeling it. I wasn't feeling the stock, and I had already taken those 2 L's. And I was already winning with GXAI. Like I was doing really good. This stock, I've been, eating off this thing the whole freaking week. Since Monday, I've been eating on this thing. Since last week, actually, I've been eating on this thing since Friday, So I was like, okay, boom. We got a good jump over here. We got in, boom. Made some money there, made some money there, made some money there. I lost some money on because I left it overnight. Then I actually woke up late this day, which was Tuesday, which was the best day. Look, this thing went all the way to $7. I could have got in like around $3 and could have left out of here like at 6 something, 7, because I don't like to go all the way to the top. I get out early, right? I learned that mistake a while back. Okay, don't wait until the top. Don't wait until we're like, yeah, we're gonna hit 7, we're gonna hit 8. No, get at 650. Maybe leave 50 stocks in there just in case, but get out early. Okay, you're trying to leave out of there winning. So yeah, man, that was my day, man. And again, that was like my week when it came to GXAI and how I've been, killing them. Okay. I think we're gonna continue doing the do this week. Okay. I think we're gonna do really, really good. I'm actually on a green as far as like the last 3 months. Okay. I'm doing really good. Let's say yeah, last 3 months I've been doing really good. So I just recovered a couple of little L's that I took in November, early November, because I was doing craziness. Now I'm going conservatively in this account. I want to see how far I could take this account. If we could take this account, which started with around, I don't even know. I think I started with like $6,000, $7,000. No, like probably like $5,000. So we already flipped it. We already flipped this account into doubling, right? So now my goal is to go in and see how far I could take it from now till next year. So let's see. Okay. So yeah, follow me on this journey and let's see what happens. See if your boy could do it. Again, I'm not an expert. I'm not here to sell you nothing. I'm not here to teach you nothing. You're just here to watch what I do and see if, maybe my strategies work of just getting in low, selling high. That's it. And you're going to catch some L's. But again, there's also too, you could win a lot, right? As you can see, most people who you could say earns like $2,000-$3,000 in like 2 days. You know what I'm saying? Like that's not bad. Okay. And I've actually done even way better in my other accounts where I've made hundreds of thousands of dollars. But that's like long-term plays. Like, and also too, like I was there at the right time, at the right moment, like with Nvidia, and a couple of other stocks like DXYZ. Like I've made some really good money with those stocks. But again, this is like day trading. This is a whole different beast. This is a whole different animal. So yeah, I want to go in and document this thing as I continue to grow and grow my skills. Hopefully, a year from now, I'll be comfortable enough to go in and take some of those, big accounts and transfer them over to this account, and I could go in and kill them, right? I don't even do margins, right? Like I'm not even doing margins. I want to go in and take this account, take it to $25,000, maybe $50,000, and then start using margin. Imagine if I was using margins. Like I killed them this week, right? So imagine if I was using margins where I will say, hey man, put in $50,000 order on this one trade. I would have killed them. I would have left out of here with freaking $20,000-$30,000. This is just a cash account. This is just a cash account that I put some little money in there. This is like my fuck around account. Okay. But wait till you see what we do in this following year. We're going to try to get it to a point where we're doing, $50,000 trades, $100,000 trades. I know I could do it. Right. And yeah, man, just follow me, let's see what happens. Right. I don't know. Or maybe I just lose everything. I don't know. God forbid. Knock on wood. Okay. But we're going to do good. And, I believe that this is the year. 2025 is the year for me, to really take day trading to the next level. So yeah, guys, let's do it. I'll see you guys later. It's your boy Joe back at it again. Trading Phase.